Welcome to Animal World GeoFlix channel. This episode shares about octopus facts. Check it out. What are octopuses? Octopuses are cephalopods, invertebrates that also include squid and cuttlefish. They have bulbous heads, large eyes, and 8 very useful arms. Cephalopod is Greek for head-foot, which makes sense, since their limbs are attached directly to their head. There are around 300 species of octopus on Earth. Some octopuses are under an inch, while others can grow up to 30 feet. The lightest adult octopus weighs less than a gram. Meanwhile, the largest recorded specimen is roughly 600 pounds. Regarding their habitat, octopus can be found in every ocean. They mostly live on the seafloor, but some can be found nearer the sea surface. All octopuses have short lifespans. The longest living octopus only lives 3 to 4 years. Most of the smaller octopuses live for 6 months to a year. Talking about octopus behavior, octopuses can change their appearance in less than 30 milliseconds. They change colors by expanding tiny pigment sacs in their skin called chromatophores. They can not only change color, but also can change texture. Does octopus have blood? Yes, the blood of octopuses and other mollusks is blue because of the oxygen-carrying pigment called hemocyanin. Besides that, octopuses have 3 hearts that pump blue, copper-based blood. 2 of the heart work exclusively to move blood past the animal's gills. It releases carbon dioxide and gains oxygen. Indeed, the 3rd heart circulates that oxygen-rich blood to the organs and muscles that produce energy for them. Octopus ink is not only used to hide themselves from other animals, but also to harm enemies. It contains tyrosinase, which, in humans, helps to control the production of the natural pigment melanin. When spraying it on a predator's eyes, tyrosinase can cause irritation. Next is octopus arms that are used as supersensors. They can detect chemicals, essentially testing and smelling objects that have been touched. In addition, they can also think independently, with severed arms reacting to stimuli for up to an hour. Lost limbs can regrow, but it'll take several months. Regarding octopus propulsion speed, octopus crawls to conserve energy if they are not in a hurry. They can go faster by swimming with tentacles. For maximum speeds, it expels a jet of water out of a siphon and propelling it in the opposite direction, which recognized as backward swimming. What do the octopuses eat? The octopus is a carnivore that often feasts on crabs, shrimps, mollusks, worms, and lobsters. It typically drops from above and swarms prey with its arms. It can also drill holes in shells to inject toxins and use saliva to induce paralysis. Notably, they are excellent observers. Every octopus grows up an orphan with no mother to teach survival skills. However, it quickly learns from observing others. It remembers successful hunting tactics for different prey, including the best time and place to find each. Thank you for watching this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe Animal World GeoFlix channel. Have a nice day.